Yeah. Now you can see my jar. No? You can see my jar. See, I have done it like this. Um, you can see, no? Yeah, this is. I have applied two maps for this. One is, uh, you can see here. I have applied two maps for this. One is color map, and then another is bump map. So this bump map, I did it in Photoshop. Uh, so and then I created a bump node and then connected. We will do the same thing, but we will use the files what I have sent only. Just as a sample, I will show you how I did it. So that no, because it bit a time-taking process. We have to check where it should be painted. All that no. That is in these both the viewports. That is one is on the left side you see image paint viewport. On the right side you are seeing front orthographic, that is 3D viewport. So in both we should uh, properly see and then do the bring the Photoshop file and then paste it here one by one. This is you can see here. This is one texture, this is another texture, this is another texture, like this I have painted it. You can see here, see, yeah, like this. So like this I have done. Oh yeah, it is recorded. Yeah, started the record. Yes. So like this I have painted it. So it's a bit time taking process. So we will do the sample. We'll drop this. So I will delete this one. This texture alone I will delete and go to shader and disconnect it. Later we can connect it. So texture paint. I'm going to do the fresh painting. Uh, and go to this texture slots in the texture paint module and press plus symbol in the texture slots and go to and choose base color and name it as jar underscore color map version 2, because I have already a version 1, so I'm naming it as version 2. And if it is more than 2K it will be very nice, uh, but our machine won't be able to bear it to paint on with such high resolution. So I'll put 2K only, 2048, 2048, and then black color background, completely black color background. Yes, see it becomes black now. Now I'm going to choose a color. I go to the tool settings. Active tool settings is the first tool setting. That is, you can see here. This one is the first tool settings. Is the first tool setting. So that is the one we should choose in texture paint module. Right now, right, I will go to color section. and then paint some color. Maybe this time we can choose some other color. And let me uh, press F and then make the brush size bigger, and then go to XY. There is symmetry, switch on X and Y on the top. If I just scroll it, you can see it. We'll be able to see it. Um, okay, fine. Now I'll start painting it. Now, before painting it, I want to choose the stroke method. I don't want something like this. Yeah, that is a normal. It is taking time. Yeah, something like this. This is a problem when we create. Even 2K is showing the results slower. So switch on the X1. Yeah. I will choose the stroke method to line. Now, till now it was in space. It is a default stroke method. And choose the line, and here in the fall off under below the stroke, I will choose the second icon preset. Fall off preset icon, second icon. I will use that one. Now I'm going to draw my the stroke line stroke here in the neck portion of the jar. Yeah, it has come. It is too shiny, so we will go to material, and then we'll increase the roughness so that we can see it properly. Fine. So this is how it is. Now we can do it in that side also, opposite side, because I have. It should be. Actually, I should switch on the mirror, but there is symmetry on the top XY, but it is taking long time. So let me switch on the mirror symmetry again, and then draw the line in the neck portion of the jar once again. It is taking time. Okay. See, it is taking long time to do it, but it's okay. Only here we have to do that. So in the down portion also we have to do the same thing. So down portion also, and use the paint. I will show you the same thing in the with the small grid also, huh? Because it is taking long time with this one, this model. So I'll create a new blender, and then in that I'll show you. I'll create a new blender. Yeah, I've taken a new blender. In that, I'm in front viewport. I'm going to add mesh plane and rotate it to see it in the front view. Okay, I have rotated it. Now I'll scale it in the x-axis. Okay, fine. Now I'll go to UV editing module. Before that, let me just um, apply all transforms for the plane, and then go back to the layout mode. Now let me add some subdivision. Go to edit mode, right click on the geometry, and then subdivide. Open the settings that appears in the left side corner, down corner. I'll increase the number of cuts to 20. Fine, okay. Now I'll go to texture paint. In front view, I'll just show the same thing what I did in the for the jar, what I did here. Same thing I'll show you there. Here it's taking time. So what generally we do in texture paint is, first we have to create uh, do the UV unwrapping before texture painting. So I have done the all transforms. Only then we have to do the UV unwrapping. So now after doing the applying all transforms, I have selected all the faces in the plane or any other mesh. Whatever mesh we have brought, we have done we are going to do the texturing. For that we have to do all transforms and then go to edit mode, select all the faces, press U in the keyboard, and then unwrap. Yeah, it is done. Only thing we have to, in this case, we have to see which one is top, which one is low. So this one is top. So let me rotate it and place it. Okay. And place it inside it. Now we can go to texture paint. The UV unwrap is ready and it is rotated also. Top portion is top here. You can see that. So when I select the top, it is showing the sink. When I select the lower portion, it is showing the lower portion. Like this is how it should be. Now go to texture paint. I am going to choose similar color in the color picker in the texture paint module on the right side. I choose some color. Yeah, uh, some dark pink color, maroon color. Right. Now I will go to stroke method and then choose line, and fall off should be second icon preset in the preset. Now I'll press my F in the keyboard and then make the brush size smaller, draw the line. Okay, we have to first we did the we, we did choose the color in the color picker on the right side, first icon in the properties editor. Yes, then in the same tool settings we chose stroke method to line and fall off to second icon preset from preset. Now we have to create the texture slot also, that is color map, bump map also. So first let me create the color map, base color, trial plain color map. I'm naming it as trial plain color map. Right now, let it be 2048 and background color can be black. Okay, fine. I'm saying okay. Right, it has become black color. Now let me paint it. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm doing it. So when I, yeah, yeah, when I'm telling you, when I'm guiding you, my voice will be a little louder. Yeah. So now I'm choosing another color inside the middle for the middle one. So let it be little brighter and lighter. Um, it should be bigger size. Yeah. So in this, no, in between this you are seeing, no, top one color, same color in the bottom also. You can see here. So inside this, in between the on the pink color section, we are going to bring the bump map. Huh? So this is how inside the in the on the jar it is. We are drawing, we are painting some two colors actually. Uh, in that two colors, in between the second color is there, which is bit bright color. Inside that bright color column, inside that space, bright color space, we are making an impression of uh, the bump map. Okay, so now we have done the color map. I'll go to texture slots and then press plus symbol and then create bump map, choose bump and then name it as trial underscore plane bump color bump map, right. This also I should choose black color for the background, right. Okay, now one thing important is color. Every map we should save it. There is, I created color map. Let me save, go to the left side panel and then image, save inside the blender lessons textures. I'm saving it inside the textures, 16-bit compression 0 PNG format, color space sRGB, save. Even this switch to bump map in the texture slots and then go to the left side panel, which is image editor panel, save uh, bump, save as bump, and then 16, color depth is 16, color compression is 0, color space non-color PNG format, save as image. Right. Now we are in bump map. It is looking black color. Now I am going to bring a bump map on it. You see what is happening. I'll go to this one. I should make it white color because once we have painted the colors, we don't have uh, to do with the same, anything to do with the same colors. We have to reset it. So make it, we don't have reset option here, so we have to make it white color, which is default. You can see here the small circle is there. If I just slide the circle on the right side, it will show from black to bright white. So that it should be in white now, pure white. The value should be in 1. Right now we can actually choose space in the stroke method. back to space, and then this preset can be first icon for the fall off. Right, now I'll go to texture column, stroke and fall off method we have done the reset, and color picker also we have made it white color. Right, now I can bring the texture which I painted in Photoshop. I'll go to texture and press new, and on the right side, once I press new, on the right side there is a slider, small slider icon. There my cursor is. I will press on that icon and I will be able to see this texture properties. Immediately I will go to open and then choose a texture. Go to textures folder. Okay, it is. Somewhere I this, yeah, it is inside the designs. Right, I will load the Photoshop texture. You can see in the, maybe in Gmeet you won't be able. Okay, okay. Yeah, this is the one I've been doing. So I didn't change it in the, share it in the Gmeet, but it's recorded in the YouTube. You will see in the YouTube link. Right. Now I'll choose this texture. Now you see, I'm going to choose the stencil method for the texture I have loaded. You can see the texture. This is the texture I have painted in the Photoshop, something like this. So now when I apply any texture on the, that is when I try to uh, make an impression, bump impression on this bump map created in the texture slot, you see in color map how it will be seen. I'll show you in the material in the preview. You see now I am painting on it like this. Okay, it is painted on it. Now again I will keep the, using my right mouse button and keeping it next to the design and then painting. So just three pieces of textures I have painted. You see how it is looking in the material preview. I'm pressing Z in the keyboard and then going into material preview mode from solid mode. Yeah, you see that impression, you can see that. So this is what we are trying. Yeah. So if I increase the shining, it will be nice. You can see that. So this impression we can make. Uh, the bump map will look like this one. You see the bump map will look like this one. This is color map. This is color map, and this is bump map. So both together joined, how it will look in material preview, it will look like this. So this is what we are doing inside the what that is in the For the jar also we are doing the same thing. So I think maybe for jar we need not do. You can do this one. That is, I will guide you how to do this one. Just we can take a plane and then scale it little wider and then paint on it like this. So here you see texture has become like this. This texture we have to save it as bump map. 16-bit compression 0. Once again I'm saving it. Right. So this is how we are going to do this for you also. Same thing. Yeah. So yeah, you can open a new blender. Open a new blender. That is, go to the taskbar. Down taskbar is there. There you right click on the blender icon. Yeah, blender icon. Taskbar is it is in the bottom. Yeah, yeah. In the Windows taskbar, no, uh, there is outside the Blender software. You can minimize this Blender software what we already have. Then you can open the yeah, go to, it's a new Blender software altogether completely. So yeah, yeah. Please share this. Yeah, yeah, please. You you created it. There is, you download it. Uh-huh. Uh, okay. Yeah. Just play it. Play it. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Now it's a new blender. Uh, right, right. Go to add mesh, add mesh plane. Yeah, plane. Now go to top view. Yeah. Okay. Front view is okay. Now go to front view is okay. And go to rotate option, left side toolbox. No, no. Escape, escape. Rotate op. No, go to toolbox. No, will be in the red color x-axis. Rotate in the 90. Special manipulation 90. Type 90. Yeah. Now go to scale option, and then uh, scale it in x-axis. Yeah. Uh, little more, little more. Enough, enough, enough. Bus, bus. Now Control A, and then all transforms. Yeah, yeah. Now go into edit mode. One second, one second. Yeah. Go into edit mode. You have gone into edit mode. Just bring your cursor to the geometry and then Control R. Yeah. It will, there is on the geometry, if you keep, no, yeah, yeah, that line is appearing, no, yeah, yeah, there you click it, but don't move it, click it, enough. Now press escape, and then okay, you have done it. Now, now no, no, be in the front view only, be in the front view. Yeah. Now now right click on the geometry, subdivide. Subdivide, first option, first option. Yeah. Now go to the settings, left side, open the settings, left side down. That is whenever you apply one any tool, no, left side. Yeah, down, down. Yeah. Now increase the number of cuts to 20. Yeah. You did the. Okay, okay. No, no, no. Okay, it is in vertex mode, right? Okay. Undo, undo. Ah, yeah. Go to face mode and then do it. Face mode. Ah, yeah. Right click, subdivide. You need not select it. You need not. You select all. Press A. Press A. Ah, now you subdivide. Now choose 20. Yes. Okay. Fine. Now you can come out of it. Yeah. Now we have applied the all transforms. Yes. Fine. Now go to UV editing module. That is UV editing module. Up. Uh, yeah. Press A in the keyboard. Yeah. Press U, unwrap. Yeah. Fine. Now you just press A. You switch on the button, sync button on the top left side. Yeah. Now go to rotate option, left side tool. No, no, not here. In the UV editor panel. This is a panel. Yeah. Rotate option. Press Control and then rotate. No, no. Escape. Press Control and then press Control. That is. Uh, Press A. You have deselected it. Now press Control and then rotate. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Now place it inside it. Yeah. Press dot, no, so that you can conveniently do press dot. No, no. Press dot, no. No. So now little zoom out and then yeah, little scale it down. Little small s, press yes in the keyboard. Yeah, fine. So that it fits inside the UV space for that one. Right. Now you just check whether in the front view what is up in the UV space also up. Just press Alt A, deselect, and then select the top row. No, top that one. Yeah. No, little come down. Yeah. So it is up only. In the UV space, it is up only. You don't have to move it. Just that is what I am seeing in the front view. No, what is upper region and what is lower region. It should be the same in UV space also. Sometimes it will be inverse. Lower region will be up in the UV space. So, but here it is all right only, no problem. Right. Now go to texture paint module. Yes. Now press home in the UV image editor panel, left side. That panel is called UV. Oh, you don't have home button. Okay. So zoom it and keep it. Press zoom. Scroll mouse button. Zoom. Yeah. Little. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now on the right side, keep it in the front view and then press one in the keyboard. Yeah. Okay, now zoom in, little more zoom in. Enough. Now we are going to paint it. Uh, Actually, this image editor panel we can make it smaller. We can image editor make it, no, like this. Right side viewport should occupy more space. Yeah, 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 a little more further. Move it left side. Further. Fine. Enough. So now This press shift middle mouse button on the left side viewport, left side, that is image editor panel. No, no, left side viewport, image editor. Yeah, 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 like that you keep, right. This one right side viewport you can little zoom in. We have to set it and then we have to yeah, fine, fine. So this we are not going to change this viewport because we are going to apply stencil, and also this line stroke method, all that we are going to do. So go to right side, what you are seeing right side, no, properties panel editor, right side, right side, right side. No, right side, that is rightmost side, properties panel. So that is, if you see first icon is highlighted, do you see that first icon? Left side, that is one. That is called active tool settings. That is means what? You are seeing texture paint module, no? Texture paint mode, in the viewport, 3D viewport, texture paint mode it is. It is in texture paint. You can just take your cursor there. Texture, no, no, left side you go, left side, top, in the middle you go, top of the screen, middle, no, top screen, top, middle of the screen. No, left side you go, left side you go. That is where we see object mode, edit mode and all, no, same place you see texture paint mode. Yeah, yeah, texture paint mode. It is called texture paint mode. So when you choose the texture paint mode, no, on the right side it will change that active tool settings, no, automatically will change it to active tool settings, right side. Yeah, like that. Yeah. So this is the options present in the texture paint mode. On the right side, it will show. Yeah. So right now we are seeing many things in the right side properties panel, like texture draw, something like that. Many things are there. So now bring your cursor down in the same region. You are seeing color picker. Here only we have to pick the color. Uh, the circle is there. So pick some color, some red color or something, maroon color. Yeah, yeah. Go to that color box, no, color color box. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Click on it. Value should be like point two, something like that. It should be darker. Yeah, and then saturation point nine. Yeah. Okay, fine. Now, now we are going to paint this, but what stroke method? You can just paint it and see, but now you cannot paint it. Why? You know? See, it is showing, saying something. Missing materials textures means what? We didn't create the canvas. So what is that canvas? They are called texture slots. So go to top, top. Yeah, they're little, no, little down. There, scroll mouse button. You use the scroll mouse button. Let, just another layer is there, no, top, that layer, scroll mouse button. Yeah, yeah. So two layers are there, little more. Their texture slots is there, no, there. Yeah. Plus material, plus symbol is there. Yeah. Base color, first one. First one. Yeah. Now you name it as plain. Okay, plain base color is there. That is enough. Width and height is 2048. Yeah. Both are 20. Yeah. Right. Now go to color. Background should be black color. In value, no, you can put it black. Value 0. No, no, there only. No, no, there, color. Go to color box. There below hue saturation value you are seeing, no? That below that value. That is no value. Alpha can be, that doesn't make any difference. That will be what? Yeah. Okay. Say okay. Yeah. Right. It has become black. Now you go to take your cursor to the image editor panel and zoom out. Yeah, like that you keep. So whatever we are going to paint on the right side, no, it will come there. Now you just paint it and see, no, it is coming like this, right? Yeah, here also left side also you are seeing. Okay, but undo it, undo it. We are not going to use this stroke method. Now go to right side. Just scroll mouse button. There, you see fall off on something is there called fall off. There, choose first icon. First, down, down, down. That preset. They are called presets. It is done. It is okay. It is already in first preset. Okay. Now go to stroke above it. That first one. Okay. Second one you choose. Second one you choose. Yeah, it will be nice. Now go. This is when we brush something. No, it will have little blur effect on its sides. No, that blur effect we don't want. So we are choosing the second icon. No, no, now it won't come. Wait, wait. I will show you. I will show you. Now go to stroke on the right side. Go to stroke. Yeah, open it and choose stroke method as line. Yeah. Now go to the front viewport. Here, front viewport is there. Don't change the view. Go to viewport. Go to viewport. From outside, you start line drawing the line. From outside, outside geometry. Little down, down. No, no. That is from no, no. Horizontally, horizontally. Yeah, yeah. So like this, it comes no, but undo it, undo it. On the top, you should put it on the top of the grid. No. Yeah. Yeah, fine. Same thing on the down also you put. Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah. Now go to right side tool settings, active tool settings. In that choose bright color now. We have to paint in the middle. Scroll up, scroll up. Go to the color box. Choose color box. Down, down. Color box. Uh, no, no. Color box. Maroon color box is there. No. No, no. That one. That one. Yeah. Now go to value and increase the value to point. 6 is okay. Yeah, fine, fine, fine. Now, in the middle of that grid, that plane, you have to draw the line. Yeah, yeah, yes, yes, yeah. Okay, it is not enough. I think we have. Okay, now undo. No, undo. One undo. No, no, only one undo. Careful, careful. Oh, right. I am hearing more. Okay. So you press F in the keyboard so that we can increase the brush size. It will. Yeah, correct. Exactly. Very good. Very good. Now you draw the same kind of thing. Yeah. Fine. Fine. Nice. Nice. Now, color map is done. Go to the left side image editor and go to image word. Go to image word. Save. Press save. It will ask you, that is I won't be able to see what you are seeing. Choose, yeah, choose 16-bit color map on the right side settings. Right side png format. There 16-bit and then compression 0. It will be sRGB. Color space will be sRGB because it is RGB. No color. It is going to save. It is color map, not bump map or any other. Right now it is so color space is sRGB. Same name, save. Inside the textures, yes. Inside the textures. Yeah, 16-bit, save. Compression 0, save. Right. Now, uh, done, no? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now go to the yeah, texture slots. Plain base color word is there, no? Top in the viewport top. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That yeah. There plus symbol again plus symbol. We are going to create bump map. Down down. Down, yeah. Now name it. That is on the top. No, it is material bump. It is saying plain. instead of material 001, just write plain bump map. Yeah. Now 2048 is okay. Color is should be black. Color should be black so that we can see the thing clear. Here in the value you can just put 0. That is all. No, no. No, no. Go to color box. Value. VALUE. That is value. Yeah. 0. That's all. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you see, you may think, oh my, whatever texture I did is gone. Like no, no, we are not going to do that. No, no, undo. Whatever texture you did is gone. Like that, you may think, no, it is there. You need not worry. Just go to the left side panel. No, left side panel, image, save it as bump map. So that in the beginning itself we are saving it. Then we will again save it. No, image word is there. Image word top image where you saved the image now. No, undo. Sorry, not image save. Yeah, now you have to do the same thing, 16-bit every time. You have to do 16-bit, and then compression 0. Color space is non-color because it is bump map. No, it will be like black and white. So color space non-color, same name, save it. Yeah, it should be, compression should be 0, because compression, if it is some numbers, no, it will reduce the texture resolution. So it should be 0 only. And 16-bit is always good, not 8-bit. Yeah. Okay, save. Now I will send you one texture that you can paint it. I will send you in mail. Yeah, I've sent you. It's a TGA file. Its name is Peacock. It's with alpha information. It is alpha means transparency information. You can go to mail and then download it and save it uh, inside the Blender lessons. You can create one more folder named designs. Design inside the Blender lessons. Yeah. So go to mail and then download it and save it there inside the designs. Yeah, peacock texture. It's a TGA. TGA, JPEG doesn't have transparency information. It doesn't store transparency information. That is alpha. What we call as alpha is transparency information. Nothing but. So it doesn't save. JPEG doesn't save. So either we have to go for PNG or TGA for saving transparency information. I did that in Photoshop, that texture, how I did that. Maybe later I will show you how I did that. So this option is very nice option. That is creating a bump map. No, you can just do this for a plane. No, you don't have to even scale it when you are alone. You can take a add mesh plane. No need to scale or no need to add any points. Just paint color map and then paint bump map. Some design you bring and then make an impression, and you see in material preview it will look nice. So you'll you will know what is the workflow for creating a bump map. It will be very useful. Yeah, everything we need not model. We can just use the some designs and create a bump as if that mesh is having some really craving, uh, carving, like that it will show up. Right now you have saved it, the texture, paintable texture is being saved. Right now you are in bump map mode inside the texture paint module. Right now we have to bring this, that paintable texture, peacock texture, inside the active tool settings in the texture column. Go to active tool settings, right side, properties editor, right side, right side, below, go here. Before that, no, you are in the active tool settings only, you are already there only. Color pick all are there, no, no. Yeah, bring your cursor right side, uh, uh, scroll down. Yeah. So in that, go to texture column, it should be up, I think, up, scroll up little, slowly, no, slowly you scroll down now, scroll down, uh, you see texture column, that one. So go press new. Yeah. Now, last in that, below the black, no, there are many four icons are there. Last icon you click. Last icon. Last. Yeah, yeah. Now you see. Wait. Don't click anywhere. Do you see where now the texture, it is highlighted on the properties editor icons? No, series of icons are there. Properties editor. No, left side. Properties editor means left side icon. They are the properties editor icons, many icons. Last icon is highlighted, right? Last icon. That is highlighted, yeah. So we were in the first icon when we pressed new and then created texture, no? We were in the first, you can just check it. You can go back. First icon you press, first icon. Press. So this is where we were. Always when you just feel like missing, no, where is that icon? That is where you have to click, and then all the texture tools you will see. Now you go back to the texture properties, last icon, last icon. Yeah, right. Now go to open, press open. Yeah, and load that peacock texture. Yeah, peacock.tga. It is inside the design section. Yeah, see, it has loaded. On the right side you can see. Now go to active tool settings on the right side. Yeah, please. So now go to active tool settings on the right side, no, right side, that is properties editor, first icon, that is active tool settings. Yeah. Now make the color picker white color, go to color box. No, not like that. We have to go properly, make it white. Color box, the red color is there, no, that is color box. Yeah. Now make it all zero, only value should be 1, all others are zeros. Then it will be pure white. Only then, no, the texture will be imprinted on that grid, on that plane, without any intervention of colors. Otherwise it will come with color. That is, the original texture won't come there. With some color layer it will come. So we should make it white in the bump layer on this bump map while painting. Right. Now we have to change the texture. Go to right side, active tools. Yeah. There, scroll down. Mapping method should be stencil. Just go down. No? The stencil is very nice option actually. Go to stencil, last one. Now you go to viewport. You will see the texture there. Go to viewport. Take the cursor to viewport. You see the texture. Now there is an option for this for the to move this texture and place it on the plane. How to move that and then scale it down? All that. Right click. Right click. Just right click. You do. Right click. Right mouse button. Uh-huh. You can, yeah, okay, okay. Just you have to press hold the right click. Yeah, yeah. So now to scale it, no, press shift and then right click. Press. Oh no 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 no! Don't no no wait. I will tell you when undo and yeah. Press shift. That is, you are moving the cursor. Don't move the cursor. Don't move the cursor. Now press shift in the keyboard. No, no left mouse. Press shift and then right click. That is right. Press hold right click. Press hold shift and press hold right click mouse button, and then you have to scale it. Shift you are pressing. Press hold shift also. Yeah. So like this you can scale it even more. Scale it down. No, little more. Scale it down. Yeah, yeah, that this is the one. Yeah, correct. It should be between that colors, bright colors. Yeah. Yeah, fine, fine, nice. Now you can do the impression. Just paint on it. Now you can paint it. Left mouse button, left mouse. On that you have. Okay, okay. Wait, wait. One undo you do. One undo. One more undo. Now go to right side. We have to choose the stroke method back to space. We have applied chosen line no for the color map. Other requirement we have chosen a scroll mouse down. Stroke method should be space. This is a default stroke method. Now you paint it. Now yeah, like, yeah. Now right mouse button and then keep it on the next, just next to it. Right, only right mouse button. Press hold right mouse button and then like a little arrange it properly. No, straight it should be. Like yeah. We don't have that tool, which will that straight in only in Photoshop we have such tools. Uh, little high, little up it can. If you change it, no, the scale will change. We should not. While doing stencil work, no, in paper we won't move the paper, no, like that. Same here. Little right mouse button. Yeah, this is correct. No, what you place it correct. Actually. A little up, little slightly up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now you paint. You can paint it. Left mouse. If you move the cursor, no, it will move. Texture will also move. Yeah. Left mouse button. Only left mouse button. Just that is you have to no, don't you are picking, no. Just keep on pressing the left mouse button and do it. There only. You should. Then only it will get impressed nicely. When you are painting, how we will do. Like that. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Yeah, left mouse button and then fully. No, no, shift you don't have to press. No need of shift. Only left mouse button. Now you don't press shift at all because you have set the scale. So just right mouse button and left mouse button. That's all. Right, left mouse button. Yeah. You have to place it straight. Where you placed, computer is showing the result. That's all. Right. Now, yeah, enough. Yeah. Right. Now, press Z, uh, press Z, go to material preview. Yeah, it will show. See, this is the result. Now, you can go to right side active tool settings because texture we are still seeing. No, now go to texture column, up, scroll mouse button. No, inside the properties editor. Don't, no. There one. Yeah, scroll mouse button, up. Now press close box in the below the texture. Below the texture, you are seeing the texture, no, peacock texture. Below that, four icons are there. Third icon, close box. Yeah, that's it. No, you want, that is, if you press new, no, you brought the texture, right? Peacock texture, that alpha texture you brought here, that design texture, and then started painting it. Yeah, you want to do it again and see, you can do it. Now, just undo it and just do by yourself, no? Yeah, just impression, creating that impression. Just one impression you do by yourself, then you will understand. Undo. I, yeah, that's all. Enough. Now go to press new. Yeah, last icon. Yeah, very good. Yeah, open and bring the texture, peacock texture, TGA designs inside the designs. Yeah, you have brought it. Now go to active tool settings, right side, top. No. Undo. Ah, okay, you have to load it. You have to load it again. Load it. Load the texture again. Open. Yeah. Now go to active tool settings on the right top, first icon, left side. Yeah. Now scroll down, scroll down. Choose the stencil method. This isn't all okay. Go up. There you are seeing stencil method. This is very important. Without stencil method, no, you won't be able to see the texture on the viewport. Yeah. Now stencil method you have chosen. Take your cursor to the viewport. Yeah. Now you can see. Now press right click on the texture. Only right. Press hold right click. Press hold. And place it. Now, if you want to just scale it and see, no, let it become your muscle memory. Scale, press shift, and then press hold shift and right mouse button. This is for scaling. So once you have set the scale, you need not press shift again. Right now, left mouse button. Yeah. This is, yeah, yeah. A little up. You are keeping it down actually. Up. Little up. No. Undo. Up. Yeah. If you, yeah. If you want to see it properly, no. If you want to see control space, controls. Like this you can do. Now you have to scale. That is when view changes, we have to scale it to shift to press, shift to right. Shift like that we have to again we have to do that. Placement. Slowly you can do. No worry. it's a very good option for many things. We'll be using this because you can avoid doing modeling, and that is for all. If we want to create this design, no, it's not easy. And one more thing is the machine will not be able to bear it. That is why Blender has given us normal map, bump map, all these options. Handy, I'm not getting, sorry, means what? For wherever you want, suppose you are modeling a glass piece, on that scratches will be there, no? There and all you can use. And if you are modeling interior walls, there you need a bump. There and all you can use. Ah, you want assets to be downloaded? Yeah, we can down. Ah, 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 ah. No, no, no. If you go to company and work, no, they won't allow you to download. Third party, yeah, third party assets, no, and everyone will see that, immediately identify it. They will tell you that we are giving you, paying you, no, you have to do it. They'll say, yeah, yeah. Only when you are, suppose you are working from home, then you can do anything. You can even outsource and someone can do it for you. That doesn't matter. But when it comes to company, no, we have to know the tools. But after knowing the tools, learning the tools and practicing now, then you can prefer to go, okay, I don't have time now, so I'm downloading, like that you can do. And some models, everything you need not do it, so you can go for download, like that it can be a second option, not the primary option, because downloading, no, it will be very heavy. uh, Not all models are low-res models, and if it is low-res models, it will be too low-res. Because beginners and all, only they are doing like this. They are uploading their stuffs into website, and then to promote themselves, no, they are doing it. So it will be a beginners. So you can also do that. You can also contribute to website and upload whatever you are modeling for free download. For anyone can download it for free. So yeah, we are going. That is why I am myself making and giving you. I just want to give you, show you what I did for jar. Anyway, you are going to use my what I did only, jar and the bowl, no? Yeah, yeah. So, but I have to show you how I did. That is why we are. I'm here. Yeah, yeah. So yeah. So now you have understood how to create a bump map. You have how to create a color map with color picker, and then stroke method, and then fall off, where you can choose the brush, where the blur should be, where how much thickness should be. In Photoshop we have that thickness, hardness, all that. So same way here also, the brush options are there. So with that, we, in front view, you have to take little care how, when you have to use right mouse button to move the stencil image. You have to use right mouse button, and then to scale it, scale up and scale down the stencil image, you have to use press shift and right mouse button. And then for painting it, making the imprint, you have to use left mouse button continuously, not spraying, not tuck tuck tuck, just continuously you have to uh, paste it. Yeah, so you have done like that. You can save the scene file, as well as you have to first, you just control space, no, you have to save the bump map also. In Blender, it won't save the map actually. See, on the left side you are seeing, no, bump map, only black and white. Bump map will always be in black and white color. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Now you can just in I made it. I made it. I downloaded some portion from the internet. Some designs I just typed in the Google, and it was showing. So peacock is a different. design, and that what you are seeing, no small small lines and all, that is a different design. I merged them both and worked some, deleted some lines, and then like that I did, and then made a transparency information. uh, yeah, that is white color will be visible while painting, other colors, other portions will be transparent. That is why if you see in the red color, no, in the viewport, you are seeing red color background color map. On other places you are seeing like that. So I will tell you that one lesson we need, that is, if you are appearing for 1 hour, 1.5 hour, no, we can, I can tell you small small things, and will be like recorded in YouTube, and you can anytime you can see that. So those small small things are there, but they are actually, they are very important. But little by little I am teaching you, because it's a blender is like that. Every, if you keep the cursor in one small portion, no, it will have a different function, and here if you keep, it will have a different function, like that. It's in one screen space, they have given us many things, so they had to program it like that. So many options are there in Blender. That is why. Right. Now we have to save the bump map on the left side. Go to Image Word on the left side, Image Editor panel. Left side image. Left side. Yeah. Image Word. Up. Yeah. Save. If you put save now, what is happening in Blender is, it is by default saving it as 8-bit. I don't know why it is 8-bit. So we have to every time put it as save as. Yeah, now you are seeing 8-bit now. We have to change it to 16-bit, compression 0. Otherwise the resolution will come down. So we have to every time put it 16. Uh, and this should be, no, color space should be non-color only, because it is black and white, so non-color. Because white and black are not colors, they are brightness and darkness, so they are not colors yet. Save as same color, same name. Yeah, like this, no, every time you take care that before saving the scene file, you save the image map also. That is going to the, because Blender is somehow not saving the images while we are saving file save as. Well, we are saving the mesh, it is not saving the image, so we have to save it separately in the image editor panel. Image save as 16-bit, compression 0. If it is color map, as color space should be sRGB. If it is a bump map, it should be color space should be non-color, because it is black and white. Yeah, right. Now you can save the file save as just uh, trial texture paint. Save, no, escape. This you have saved. File save as mesh you are saving. Save as, yeah. You can name it trial texture painting. This called texture painting actually. So yeah. What we are doing actually, it's called PBR, physically based rendering. If you see in Amazon, they will show you that that is for VR, AR, no, 3D artist would have given that VR, AR artist. 3D artist will give the output as color map, bump map, and then specular map or roughness map. Like the three maps he will give at least. So those three, we have made two maps. In one more exercise I will show you the this roughness map also. So like that, when we make and give, no, in Amazon, if you see, I want to see, suppose I'm buying washing machine, and in Amazon I can see it in my room, like that. This ratio, size ratio, that one option is there. It's called WebGL program. WebXL WebGL program, like that they call. Means what? In 3D we can see inside the website. In Amazon website, inside the website, you can see a 3D mesh and then we can even like how you are doing or turning the camera and seeing the object, same thing you can do. It is almost like a small 3D software inside the Amazon website. That is called WebGL. That utility is called WebGL. It's very costly. Now they have done it. They are doing like if you want to, if you are going to buy a furniture, you will want to see inside your house how it is fitting. So with your app, no, you can see with your mobile, you can just inside that Amazon or furniture website app, they would have created one app. So in that app, you can just through just you can show your you can see your room, and then there that furniture where it will fit, what size it will fit, like that it will show automatically. So for that how many people would have worked, like you, a 3D artist would have worked, and then VR AR, and then coordinator, and then project manager, like that many people would have worked for that, and creating the app, that is another guy. So a team would have worked in that. 3D artist, what is his job is, he will model the mesh in Blender. In Blender only they do this. Blender they will model it, and then they create this normal map, color map, and then roughness map. Then they will give all these assets to, okay, I have done like that. The 3D artist will give this mesh file and texture maps to this VR AR guy. They are called CG developers. They are called CG developers. So they do. Sorry, CGI artist is we call 3D artist. We call CGI artist very general term, because CGI artist means he can be even doing compositing. He may be doing roto. That is you will see in movies, no, hero will be roped with many things. He will jump from one building to another building. But in movies, when you see that ropes won't be there, only in making you will see the ropes. Who deleted those ropes? That is called wire removal. It's a separate software. Wire removal software is there. In that, they will delete all the ropes. Every frame he will have to delete the entire sequence. No, he will, the person. He is called roto artist, wire removal painter, roto artist, matte painting artist, like that many people will be there. So we are doing, what we will be doing is 3D artist. 3D artist is the main guy in the 3D department. So he'll be doing, and then yeah. So he'll be supplying these assets. Now this AR VR is the boom. Actually, it's booming actually. Yeah. Big market, because all for commercial industries, they want to sell their product. So people want to see it in 3D, that is turntable view. They want to see entire thing, all that. So and also interior exterior products modeling, all that. So and also engineering modeling, that we need not model it in Blender. We can just remesh it. There is an option called remesh. That will all come here. In the modeling section, we will be seeing all the engineering models. You need not do. There are many Rhino, SolidWorks, like that. Many softwares are there. No, in the engineering, AutoCAD, like that. Many softwares are there. So they do the model there, based on mere parameters. Just type the numbers, you will get the model. But they are into engineering models like pipes, all that. Once they do that, they will have to depend on us only for Blender software, because there they cannot do color, steel material, look and feel, lighting, rendering, and all. They cannot do there. Only in Blender you can do. So they will give you the model here, and we have to just remesh it, light it, and then render it and give them with white color background. So that and all I will tell you. It will be very useful for you, like when you are doing some something product of your own, or like that. So. So this is very important. This is called physically based rendering. Means what? PBR maps. If you PBR maps. color map will be there, normal map, roughness map, specular map, or roughness map, any one map like that. Now you have saved it. Now we are going to do the model, like it's very easy only, with instead of using bezier curves, no, we will do the, with the mesh circle only we can use the models. Now you can press go for file new and general, like that you can do file new general. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now you can delete this cube. Yeah. Yeah, everything, yes. Now go to add mesh circle, circle. Yeah. Now you see, with this circle only we can build, we can just make a model, a plate or bowl, all that. Just zoom in, no, little zoom in. Yeah. Go to edit mode. Yeah, press F in the keyboard. Yeah, it will fill. You know that very well. Now go to face mode. That is on the top left side. No, face mode. Yeah, yeah. Now press E. Yeah, up only. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now, sorry, no, no. This time, sorry. Undo. Undo, one more undo. Yeah, yeah. Now press. Keep the cursor inside the inside there, and press I in the keyboard. It will show you insert. It's called insert. If it is not coming, no, means it is very small. Just click left mouse button, one click, only one click. Left mouse button. You clicked it, huh? Uh, yeah, yeah. Face mode. Face, go to face. Yeah. Uh, and then press F. Now press I. Press I and then yeah, yeah. Now yeah, left side you are seeing the settings, no? Left side. Down, left side. Down. Yeah, yeah, that one. Now you just move your cursor. I'm not able to see it. Little move your cursor. Increase the thickness. No, increase the thickness little. Yeah. Increase, more increase. Maybe point one. Point 0.1 should be okay, I think. Just uh, not 0.01, zero point 0.1. Yeah. Okay, 0.2 is okay. 0.2 is, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now go to move option, left side. Top. Yeah, yeah. Now just move it down, no? Move it down. Little. Slightly. Not much. Not. Okay. Sorry. Undo. Press E in the keyboard and then move it down. Press E. Escape. Okay. This is also okay. Fine. Okay. Now scale it down. Press scale. Press S in the key. Yeah. That's all. Little bigger. Slightly big. Enough. Right. Now this is plate, no? This is looking like a plate. Only thing you have to do, softening the edges, all that. So sorry. Now press dot in the keyboard and zoom it. Yeah. Now press Control B. Yeah. No. Control B for ball. Slowly. No, a little smaller. Make it small. Left side only. Slowly. Yeah. Now just keep it like that, and then only scroll mouse button you do. Scroll. Yeah. That enough. Fine. Yeah. Now you can decrease the segments here. Left side, no. Segments to 3. Yeah. Right. So now we have to do the beveling for the another edge. Just come out of the settings. Bring your cursor. Yeah. Alt A. Yeah. Now select the outer, that is just inside one more edge loop is there, no circle loop. No, no, that one. Yeah, that you press Alt in the keyboard and then select, press hold Alt. Okay, go to edge mode. Go to edge mode, middle one. Top, middle one. Now same, select the same. Yeah, yeah, that's one. Control B, slowly. Yeah, they should not collide. You are adding. Yeah. Enough. Left mouse button and click. Yeah. Now this also we can close. The settings we can close. Yeah. Yeah. Now little more depth we feel like we want. So what we have to do is select the, go to face mode. Yeah. Go to switch on the proportional editing. No, in the top next to global, there is left side, in the left side in the top middle. Right side, right. Come in the middle. No, in the same row. Come in the middle. No, no. That is, come right side. Come right side. Right, further. There only. There is a dot. No, there is a dot. Is there? That one. That is called proportional editing. Yeah, switch on that. Yeah. Now, yeah. Now, it's called proportional editing. I will tell you what it is. I will tell you. Now, go to face. Select the middle face in the plate. Yeah. Now you have to just press the blue color axle and don't leave it. Also, you have to press scroll mouse button. Yeah. No. Press the first. Yeah. Do you see a gray color circle? Yeah. Now, the gray color circle you have to make it small. Make it small. Otherwise, the entire mesh will move. Now, this circle is okay. No. Little little bigger, little more bigger. Enough. Now, only choose. Move it down. Don't change the scroll mouse button. Yeah. So that what it is doing, no, just move it and see. Just move it. Only move the. You see, other areas, that is other vertices also it is bringing, right? Proportional editing means what? Proportionally, it is bringing other vertex also along with the face we have selected and moving. So that is one option. That is called proportional editing. It's very useful for modeling. So now this much depth is not needed for plate. Little up you go, no? Enough. Bus. Fine. You can, if you want, you can scale it bigger. This proportional editing. Press yes in the keyboard. Press yes in the keyboard. Slowly you scale it. Scale it bigger. Little more bigger. Enough. Bus. Yeah. Now, no. This plate is being made, but still one more little thing we have to do is the outermost circle is there. No, that edge we have to select. Go to edge mode and then go to edge mode. Middle. Edge. No. Edge mode. I am saying edge menu. This is edge menu. Yeah. Now select the outermost edge mode. That is no rectangular selection at all. No, only Alt. Press Alt and then select. Press Alt on one edge. It will entirely select. Yeah, very good. Now, just little upwards. It will be little slanting. No, for creating that slanting. Slightly upwards in the Z axis. Yeah. Little more. No, a little big. Down. Okay, fine. No, up. It was correct actually. Sorry, it was correct. Little more up, slightly up. Enough. Yeah. Now, if you see, the plate is there, but the thickness is not there. So with the circle only we made this plate, so that thickness is not there. So we have an option, nice option in Blender for making the thickness for any mesh which we have made a single layer. Only for single layer mesh we should apply this thickness. So where to apply the thickness? Go to add modifier right side. Right side, properties panel. Ah, modifiers. That spanner kind of icon is there, no? Spanner looking. Add modifier. Under the generate menu, yeah, in that solidify is there. Solidify. Yeah, this is a very nice option. I will tell you, right side, no, you are seeing thickness. There you type just one. You type some. Oh, sorry, no, no. The point one you type 0.1. Yeah. So this much thickness we don't need, right? So maybe 0.5 should be okay. 0.05. Sorry, 0.05. Yeah. Even this is more, I feel. So 0.03 is okay, I think. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this one we have done, but still you see it is little tuck tuck tuck. It is not smooth, right? So for that, what we have to apply? Go to add modifiers. Right click, same. Another modifier we are going to add under the generate menu. Subdivision surface is there below. Yeah, yeah. Now you see, just yeah. Now it has become. Now you go back to. It is showing double layered. No, it is because we are in edit mode. So go back to object mode. Yeah. Now you right click on the object and then shade smooth. Yeah. Now you just turn it and see. So this is how we can make a plate. We need not do. We can do other way also. That is, I used to do. No, you remember screw modifier. We used screw modifier. That is, we have to go to add curve B spline and draw a curve, profile curve, side profile curve in the front view. We have to draw and then go to add modifier, screw modifier, and it will do the revolution. It will make a surface like that also we can do, but with circle also we can do. It will be easy for you because you are feeling difficult with drawing splines, the drawing bezier splines. So I suggested this method. Yeah. So yeah, now we have applied two things. One is solidify and then subdivision surface. So another way, that is another bowl we can do. You can just rename this as plate. Plate. Yeah. Now you can hide this in the outliner. Yeah. Now go to add uh, sphere. Icosphere is there, no? Sorry, no, sorry. Delete. Add mesh UV sphere. UV sphere will be, it won't be triangular, it will be quadrilateral. That is why we are choosing. So yeah, go to front view. Press one in the keyboard. Yeah. Now zoom in. Little zoom it. No, zoom in. Yeah, fine. Now go to edit mode. Yeah. Now we have to delete the upper portion and little down portion also. Little upper portion, little. So go to face mode and then uh, press Alt Z. No. Yeah, I will tell you why we should not select now. Yeah, transparency. Other side won't get selected. So transparency should be on. Now draw the rectangle from outside the only first three cells. First three rows. Come down. Or four rows you will select. One more rows. One more row. Sorry. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Delete. Press del and third option. Yeah. Now choose the uh, down from down portion for four or three cells. Only three cells. Three rows. Yeah. Okay, that is three. Four. Then four. One more. Yeah. Enough. Yeah. Delete face. Yeah. Now select the first. Go to edge mode. Yeah, select the first top edge loop, no, go to this way also you can select, but it will select other edges. So press alt and then select the edge loop. Edge loop means always we should press alt, press hold alt and leftmost, the horizontal loop. Yeah, there only, correct. Yeah, now switch on the proportional editing is already switched on. Just press yes in the keyboard and then little scale it, no, we have to make it little broader. No, no, scale broader, bigger, and then no, no, not this much. Slowly, slowly, slowly. No, you have to make it bring the cursor outwards, far, little more far. Now increase the, uh, just keep it like this, left mouse button. I also scroll mouse button up, scroll mouse button up. Okay, down. Yeah. You see how the change is happening. Enough. Not this way. Enough. No, little bigger. The influence area. It is choosing the deciding the influence area. Now scale only. Only move the cursor rightwards. Move the cursor rightwards. Yeah. Enough. Yeah. Enough. Little, just scroll mouse button. Little bigger. No, little bigger. Scroll mouse button. Little more bigger. Okay, it is coming like this. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. This is also okay. Yeah, left mouse button and stop it. Yeah. So now, no, for this, we a little we can do adjustment. Just yeah, second row, no, second edge loop. Second row edge loop. No. Only alt. Edge loop means alt. Yeah. No, horizontal edge loop. Horizontal. Yeah. Little press yes in the keyboard and then scale it down a little. Scale it down. Enough. No. Okay. Enough. Stop. Press left mouse button and stop. Now second, next row, horizontal row. Next alt. Uh, yeah. Edge loop. Select edge loop by pressing alt in the keyboard. No, it is correct only, edge mode. Yeah. Now scale it up a little, slightly. Yeah. Enough. Nice. Yeah. Now alt A, so that deselection will happen. You can, when in future, no, when you are doing alone, you can create your own shape. I'm just telling what I have in mind. Right. Now go to object mode and then move it up on the and keep it on the x-axis line, no, move it up and keep it on the x-axis. Red color line is there, on that. Yeah. Now the one layer is done. Also we have to cap it, that is down. If you see, yeah, that down we have to cap it. How to do that? Go to perspective. Yeah, like this only you keep. Nice view. Now select it, go to edit mode. Select the last edge loop. Press alt. Press F in the keyboard. Yeah. Now press B in the keyboard. Control B. B for ball. Sorry. Escape. If you press, it will go off. Escape button. Yeah. Control B. B for ball. Yeah, a little, very slowly. We are adding bevel. Yeah. No. Bring the cursor to closer to the center. Yeah. This enough. This work. This much bevel softness is right. We need not do anything. This is okay. Right now, you can click outside somewhere. Just yeah. Now up on the upper edge loop, no, we have to little create that is upper edge loop. No, upper first yeah, first row, that edge loop. Press like this, you keep like this, you keep this view is okay. Press alt E, extrude edges, first option. Now escape. Yeah, press S in the keyboard. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Escape. Switch off the proportional editing because every time it is hindering. Switch off the proportional editing. No. Middle. That switch off. Yeah. We don't need it. Right. Now press S in the keyboard and scale it. Yeah. Not this much. Little. Enough. No. Little more bigger. Enough. Now, yeah. Now press Alt E again. Extrude edges and escape. Move it down. Go to move option and move it down. Move it down yeah, slightly. Yeah, enough. Right. Alt A. Yeah. So just like something like this, it can be even better shape, but from here I can tell you only this much. It's like initiative. When you are doing, no, you will do it nicely because from your intuition you will do the shape like that. Only thing you have to know the tools, then it'll be you can make your own things. Yeah. Now we have done this one. No, so we you can switch off the X-ray. That is Alt Z. You press Alt Z is a shortcut. Alt Z. Yeah. Right. Now press select. Go to object mode. Yeah. Control A. All transforms. Before doing the thing, no, adding modifier, we have to do this all transforms. Right. Now right click on the model and then shade smooth we have to apply. Shade smooth. Yeah. Right. Now go to add modifier. That is add right side. Yeah. Same thing. Solidify. Yeah. Now you can choose the thickness. Like we are, you can little close up. You have to go. Press dot. No. Close up. Yeah. So just to see it, no, you just turn around the camera and see it. Slowly. Uh, yeah. Down only we can see. Little see from the you can see the edges. No. Now keep it in this view only. Keep it in this view. Go to thickness parameter and then type 0.03. Just we'll see how it is. 0.03. Yeah, little more thickness nicely. Maybe 4, 0.04. Yeah, fine. Now, no, we can apply subdivision. Go to add modifier. Yeah, generate subdivision surface. Yeah. Now it is okay. Only thing we can add for this, just zoom in that edge, that upper edge where it is ending, no, just no, from bottom only you see from bottom a little yeah, turn it a little, bring the camera little up, slightly up. uh, Okay, fine. Enough. Now, no, uh, we have to add one more edges. There, it will become nicely sharp edge. I will show you how. Little camera up, no, camera up, not this much bottom. Yeah. Enough. Just like let it be like this only. Go to edit mode. Yeah. Now, control. Take your cursor on that edge. Take your cursor on the edge. There only. Exactly there. Don't move there. Don't move from that place. Now, control R. Yeah, there one point, one edge you add, edge loop. Press left mouse button and it will get added. Uh, don't move it, no, don't move it. Press left mouse button. Press left mouse button. Now go to uh, this factor. Make it zero. Factor. Make it zero. Uh, no, zero. Type zero. Always typing is best. Yeah. Yeah, enter, enter, enter. Ah. So now you see little it has become square actually. That just a little slightly you tilt the camera down, bring the camera down. Little it has become thick, the border. If you want, you can add one more actually. Um that is just go there. No, no. Okay. Number of cuts you make it two. No, number of cuts. You see the difference. Um, a little it has become little sharper. That is, edge won't be so roundish. It will become sharper. Okay, fine. This is okay. Fine. Right. Now go to object mode. Yeah, yeah. Now, no, I will tell you one nice option in Blender. Press dot in the keyboard. No? Press dot. We are going to apply, instead of texturing, doing texturing, no, we are going to apply steel material, steel material for this one, and for that plate, we are going to apply multiple material. So if we will do first the steel material for this, you can rename this as steel something like that. Vessel you can rename it. Yeah, vessel. Yeah, yeah. Right. Press V in the keyboard. Yeah. Now go down in the scroll. That is in the down. That is, sorry. Properties editor panel. Right side. Right side. Yeah, yeah. There. Material properties is there. No. There you go. Yeah. Now you can rename this as steel material. Steel MATR. Yeah, enter. Yeah, right. Now go to base color and make it 0.65 something. Value. There 0.65. Yeah, fine. Now metallic should be 1. Below. Yeah, 1. Yeah, and then roughness, no, should be like zero point 0.1, I think. Yeah, yeah. Now yeah, baki sab okay. Now press Z in the keyboard. Material preview. Yeah, now you will see the steel kind of material. So if you want to increase a little zoom in, no, little slightly zoom in. Yeah. If you want to increase the roughness, you can just see and how the effect is. You just increase, it will become like a aluminum. If you increase to zero point 0.4, no, it will become like aluminum, like that. Yeah, when you decrease it so much, like zero point 0.1, it will be steel. This is too much. This is like no object will be like this so smooth. So we have to keep at least 1.1 or 1 point, 0.15, like more than zero point 0.1 it should be, like, right. So like this. Now steel is made. Okay, fine. Now we can go for the select the what select the plate. You can hide this one. Select the plate. Yeah, press dot in the keyboard. Yeah, little bit closer, no, little bit closer. Yeah. Now we are going to apply this one material. Then another material also we should apply. We can apply, instead of doing the texture work, UV unwrapping work. For these kind of utensils, we can apply multiple material and make it look like texture slightly. To some extent we can make it. Yeah, So how to do that? On the right side, new button is there. No, you can click that. Yeah, yeah, new button. Yeah. Now name it as ping on ping on MATR PEEN MATR. Yeah, enter. Right now, base color. You can choose some color if you whatever color you have you want. Like okay, maybe okay. Any dark color you choose, no? Any dark color, little. Yeah. Okay. Fine. This is nice actually. Yeah. Right. Now go down a little in the yeah, yeah. Their roughness should be uh, point point two something you put, no, point two. Yeah, yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Now here we don't need the metallic because this is not metal. This is ping on, so we don't need the metal. Right. Now maybe roughness can be a little more lesser. I think point one you put. Yeah, this is nice actually. Yeah, yeah, fine. Now, now we have created one material. We have to create another material, but inside the same material. How to do that? But first we have to select some faces because no, what I want, just select the object. No, select the object. Select the object. Go into edit mode. Uh, that is, we are seeing some set of faces. No, that is many set of yeah, we need not see the gizmo now. We don't have to move or shape anything, so plus yeah, press W, press W. Yeah, here we go. Now select the uh, careful uh, select the this outermost circle is there, no, outermost circle. Inside that one face is there. Slowly move your cursor. I will tell you where. No, no. Little bring the camera up. Like this. You keep. Don't change the view. Don't change the view. Control space. Yeah. Now Alt A. This next to this, what you have selected. No, one more thin face loop is there. No, no. Inside. That one. That you select edge loop. That is on the corner. You have to keep so that edge. No. Face only. Face only. Face also we can select face loop actually. Select there. If you select it here, no, latitude will select. If you select, press, keep your cursor on the edge of that face, it will select the longitude. There only. There you, a little more corner you come. There you click. No, no. That is corner means in the middle. Bring your cursor inside that face. In the corner, go to. Wait. I will tell you. Take your cursor inside that cell. No, where you went now. Inside that cell. That face. That face. No. Okay, this face you are, no, just upper next face, next face. That face. Just go to corner, side corner. There. Now you press Alt in the keyboard and press select. This is okay. Fine. Now one more face you can select. That is little alternate. Go to that one. Same way you have to select. Alt, press Alt and no. Sorry. Press Shift and Alt. Undo. And, right. Fine. Now we have selected two faces. No, for this we are going to apply new color. But how to apply? Control space. Yeah, go to data properties. Go to data properties, right side. In the properties editor, no, there is above the material properties. You have data properties. There is downward pointing triangle, green color triangle. Yeah, that is. There you see something called vertex groups. This is very interesting. Vertex group will be useful in animation, texturing, and all that. Rigging also will be useful. So here, this vertex group, we are selecting some set of faces or edges or vertex, that we can save it as an entity. You go to plus symbol is there, no, right side, up, that it will now you rename it, double click on that group and then rename it as uh, golden lines. Yeah, enter. Yeah, now press assign. You have selected the faces, no, press assign. Only now it will get assigned. So I just listen, don't do anything. We what we did, we selected some set of faces, face loops, and then we created in the vertex group one group. We created vertex group. You may think we have selected faces, no, why we are doing in vertex group? Because blender it didn't give any face groups. It is all vertex means faces only, because that is a basic element of mesh. Vertex is a basic element of mesh, so vertex means, it means also the faces. It means what, we have selected many vertices in face mode we are seeing, that's all. So that is what it means, vertex group. So whether it is number of select set of faces or set of edges or set of vertices also, it we will save it here only. We will selection set, we can call it. We can create a selection set like this in the under the vertex groups only. We have to, whether it is face or edges, we have to create a selection set like this only under the vertex groups, right? Now we have, once you created the pressed the plus symbol, we have to assign it without clicking outside the. If you click outside, no, the set of faces will be gone, the selection would be gone. So without selecting outside anywhere, we have to assign the selected number of faces. So you have done that assign. Yeah, now you just deselect, press alt A. Yeah, now you, there on the vertex groups you are seeing select, deselect, just press select. See, it will select like this. So you go to wireframe mode, press Z in the keyboard and then go to press alt Z. See, you can see the set of faces selected, because it is in subdivision surface, no, it has selected extra one set of faces. So we have to apply and do it. Actually we have to apply the modifiers, but if you apply, you know, it will become so dense, you will not be able to select. So I chose to select like this. Right, now press Z in the keyboard. We alt Z, alt Z. Okay, so press Z in the keyboard, go to material view, material preview only. Right, now we have selected it. Now go to material properties, right side, down, material properties. Now you don't do anything, just listen. You see what we are going to apply now. Till now we had been applying one material for the entire object. Okay, fine. In object mode we were applying. You see, now we are in edit mode. So in edit mode, for on component basis, for this face I can assign a different color. For this another face I can assign a different, even more different colors. Like that we can do. So that option in Blender we have. In edit mode we have to do this. Right, now you are in edit mode, you are in properties, material properties. You are seeing plus symbol on the material properties, plus symbol, right side up. Just press. Now you press new, new button is there down. Rename it as golden lines MATR. Yeah, golden lines MATR. Yeah, enter. Yeah, now press assign. Here also we should do assign in vertex group as well as here also. Yeah. So now, because it has by default any material will be white color, no, so it is showing white color. Now, one thing we have known that in one material, sub-material can be created. This is called sub-material. Yeah. So overall material is blue color. Sub-material is golden color or whatever. You can create even more. You can select faces, another set of faces, and go to vertex group and create one more vertex group and name it as steel lines like that, and then come back to material editor plus symbol steel lines material like that, steel lines vertex group steel lines material assign you have to do, like that we can create multiple vertex group and materials sub materials, right? Now we are going to apply this golden color. Now go to base color, go down base color, there, go to some yellow, this is okay, little go to saturation. In the saturation point, no point 8, point 8 should be okay. Yeah. Right, now go to metallic, put it 1, 1. Yeah, now roughness should be point 1. Yeah, now go back to object mode. Yeah. Now you see, like this, something we can do, like some kind of, even for the border select, we can select the edges and then we can do like this multiple. For this, no, generally we will go for texture only. We have to do UV unwrap and then select a band of color like this. One is yellow color, one is another color like that. But here, what advantage we have, no, in ping on color we can create a metal color also, because ping on there is no metallic option. You just switch on the ping on material there in the right side. See the different colors, metallic is 0, but in golden lines metallic can be 1. This is possible only in the multiple materials, not in texture. We don't have this option in texture. So this is one nice way of doing it. So yeah, so if you want, no, on border also you can do if you want. uh, just go into edit mode, select set of another set of faces, border any thin face set of faces we should see, because other faces are very broad faces. We should see one, we don't have it actually, that is why. Maybe select, we will create one, select edge, go to edge mode. Yeah, select edge loop, select edge loop, yeah, control B, slowly, yeah, just left mouse button click, one click, and then yeah. Now try to increase the width, no, increase the width to point 1. Okay, it is not creating, I think. No, no, undo, it is not creating. Okay, press undo, one more undo. Enough. Now we have to add it, that is the only way. Keep your cursor on the same edges, a little more inside, inside the plate, little slightly inside the plate. Yeah. Now control R, there only, correct, exactly there only we should add. Now press left mouse button and bring it outside, little outside. No, not this much, little more inside. Enough. No, left mouse button, one click. Now actually, minus factor is minus 0.75, so make it minus 0.34. Type typing is better, yeah, minus 0.34. Yeah, enter. Okay, minus 0.3 you could, no, just try minus. Oh, it is expanding. Okay, minus 0.4 you put, minus 0.4. Yeah. Okay. This is fine. Right. Now you can click outside, and we have to go to face mode, and yeah, and select that face loop, that edge face loop. No, that is, I told you, no, corner. That is, uh, no, no. Once again, that is face. Go to face mode. No, face mode. Yeah. Select any one. Go to yeah. There you just click on corner. Corner means not edge, vertex corner, face corner. That is if I divide this face to east, west, north. Yeah. That's all. If you go to press Alt Z, whether we have to see whether it is selection is correct or not. Okay. But press Z in the keyboard and then go to wireframe mode. Wireframe. Yeah, yeah. Selection is correct. Now go to vertex mode, vertex groups. That is data properties. No, no. Escape is data properties. Right side. Properties means right side only. Yeah. That one. That one. Correct. Now go to plus symbol. Yeah. Now rename it as steel lines. Steel lines. Yeah, it can be anything. Okay, I'm just for demonstrating it, I'm showing all this. Now go to material, oh sorry, go to assign, press assign there. Yeah, this is very important. Assign, you pressed, right, right. Now you can click outside and just see, just click anywhere, yeah, deselect it, and then again press select in the keyboard, in the vertex groups. See, it got selected. So it means what? It is recorded. The selection set, face selection set is recorded in the vertex group. Now, yeah, yeah. Now go to material properties, right side. That is below the data properties. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now create plus one more sub material you have to create. New, press new there, and then assign, first assign, no, assign, otherwise no, you may deselect by mistake. Steel lines material, matr, yeah, yeah. Enter. Now go to base color, and then choose in the value point 0.6 or something, you put 0.6. For steel it can be in white color only. Yeah. Now go to metallic to make it 1. This is a parameter for values for metallic, metal, any steel or copper or bronze or anything. So now roughness should be 0.1. 0.1. Yeah, yeah. Fine, fine, fine. Now if you go to material preview, press Z in the keyboard, you will see that. Yeah, yeah. Go to object mode. It just select out. Yeah. So now you'll be able to see it is steel color. Right. So like this, no, we can create like this. Yeah. So multiple materials how to apply, and then with circles only you can make a plate, and using sphere you can make a vessel and fill the face, and then that edge you can bevel. All that you have learned. So spoon also we have to do. I don't know whether we have time. We have time. Okay, okay, fine, fine. So we are going to add our vessels note to this one also. What I have given you. So on table we will have more vessels. This steel, only thing we have to do the ratio, work on the ratio. There is steel vessel will be bigger or plate will be bigger. That will be later decide. We'll keep it on the table and then decide. So now, yeah, yeah. So remember, we didn't apply any texture for these plates and vessels. With materials only, we managed to bring that. Right. Now, suppose no, for this steel vessel, you want some scratches. Only then you have to go for texture painting. There, we in Photoshop we have to create some scratches like lines here and there, small, very thin lines here and there, like that. Or some textures also in Google available, scratch texture, black and white, it should be bump. Then yeah, that if you we can apply and make it, but for that we have to do unwrapping, UV unwrapping we have to do. So only then we will. Right. That is why I keep the history intact. You see, go to modifier, no, right side modifiers, go to modifier, spanner, blue color spanner is, yeah. So you see, I didn't apply it, I didn't freeze it. Why? Because no, that history I want to maintain. For suppose if I want to in future I want to do UV unwrapping, if you apply, no, what will happen is it will become very dense mesh, because subdivision surface all that is there. So we are not going to delete the history, modifier history, it will remain like this only. Only when we go for rendering, last we will go for rendering and all, no, camera we will set all that, some interior we will make, rendering all that, then at that time we will apply all these modifiers. We will do that at the time only, we will do. Till that we will keep the history, modifier history, all that. Right, right. Now you can save this as utensils or something. uh, See, in this we didn't have to save the image and all, because we didn't create any texture, only with material we managed it. Inside the assets you can save it. Yeah, right, right. Yeah. Some utensils like that, something. Yeah, yeah. Right, right. You see, just one small thing I will tell you. Do you see on the right side solidifier properties? Vertex group is there. Do you see? There if you give the vertex group, no, only for that vertex group it will solidify. I will tell you maybe in the next version. So this vertex groups are very powerful, in shape animation. Suppose a pot is becoming some other vessel, a pot is becoming some other morphing. For that and all, we can use this vertex groups. Yeah, so it'll be nice. So it will be useful in modeling. It will be useful in texturing. It will be useful in material and sculpting. Sculpting and all we are going to see while creating bed and all, no, mattress, sorry, mattress and all, we will be using the sculpting. So that we can do that interior materials. Later you can assets download, you can do that. Yeah, assets Blender market is there outside, but when we are learning only we can make, no. So that I'm making this effort to teach this, and then it'll get recorded in the YouTube video. Whenever you want, you can see it how to make it like that. Yeah, yeah. Right. So uh, okay. So next class you can update me. Uh, Tomorrow itself. Okay, fine, fine. Sydney time, 4 o'clock. Yeah, 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 yeah. 4:35 is 4:35 is on. 4:30 is on. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.